Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1140 Stone Game 2, and in this Alice and Bob continue their game with the piles of stones. To understand a little bit more context, I would request that you to who solve the question, that is Stone Game. It's not Stone Game 1, I guess it's just the Stone Game, so you'll get a better hold of the question. But let's, before diving into the question, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, comment how you felt, give me some review, feedback, anything which you would like. And so without wasting any time, let's continue. That Edison and Bob are continuing their games with the piles of stone, and there are a number of piles which are arranged in a room, and each pile has a positive number of stones, that is of piles I. And the objective is to of the game this time the game is to end with the most stones. And Alice and Bob takes turn alternatively, and with Alice starting first initially, with states that m is equal to 1. And on each place turn, that player can take all the stones in the first x remaining piles, where 1 is less than x is less than or equal to 1, which is less than or equal to 2m. X is greater than or equal to 1, sorry, yeah. And then we'll be setting m as the maximum of m comma x. And the game continues until all stones have been taken. Assuming that Alice and Bob will play optimally, we have to return the maximum number of stones Alice can get. So in the first case, the answer comes out to be 10. That if Alice takes one pile at the beginning, Bob takes two piles, and then Alice takes two piles again, Alice will get 2 plus 4 plus 4, that is 10 piles in total. And if Alice takes two piles at the beginning, and Bob takes all the three was left, in this case he'll be getting 2 plus 7, that is 9 piles in the total. So we'll be returning 10 since it's larger. Okay, and we have to return basically the maximum number of stones that Alice can get. Okay, so this is another a DP take not take question, but along with we'll also need to store the suffix sum, so that we don't have to calculate it again and again. So let's have a suffix sum, oh, and that is equal to firstly piles dot length. Let's have a DP array of size new int n cross, n plus 1, or sorry, n cross n plus 1. Okay, and let's initialize the suffix sum array as well, that is equal to of new size n plus 1. Okay, then let's fill this array. So for int I equal to n minus 1, uh, I greater than or equal to 0, r minus minus, I'll be doing updating the suffix sum of I will be equal to suffix sum I plus 1 plus piles I. Okay, and then I'll be returning the function, let's call it find max. In this I'll be passing the suffix sum, the array, my initial number of m, starting index, and the DP array. And we don't have to pass in the piles, because we can, if we'll ever need that, we can just directly generate it from the suffix sum. Let's write the function, that is private int find max. This is having the array as let's call it suffix sum only, otherwise it will be difficult for us to remember. M, index, and the DP array. Okay, and let's have current the total file. oh, I'll just declare it here only, int n, and then this dot n is equal to this. Okay, then I'll be checking that if base case, that if index is greater than or equal to n, I'll have to return 0, because we are out of the indexes. Now I'll be checking that if my index plus 2 into m is greater than or equal to n, in that case I'll be returning my current index only. So suffixes sum, suffix sum suffix sum of ind. Okay, and then again one more case, we need to check that if dp of ind m is not equal to 0, you can even initialize it with -1, but in this case we'll never be getting -1, because the number of piles are going to be always positive. So we can, in this case, we can return this as well, dp int and m. Then let's have the max variable that is initially 0, and for int let's have x equal to 1, and we are having the conditions that x can be less than or equal to twice of m. So x is less than or equal to 2 into m. I'll be doing x plus plus, and then I'll be having the calculating the current number of stones, that will be equal to suffix sum int minus, let's call this function again, uh, find maximum. In this we'll be passing again the suffix sum variable. I'll be passing the maximum of m comma x. Then I'll be doing a index plus x, which I've chosen, and then dp. Okay, and then I'll be updating my answer variable, max variable as maximum of my max and current. Okay, and at the end I'll just have to return dp of index m, that is equal to max. Now let's give it a run. Okay, and it gets scripted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, and it gets scripted as well. Okay, so this is what I today. Thank you for watching.